In this video, I will show you guys how you can earn free USDT without any investment. So all you have to do is to watch this video till the very end and do not skip any part. Hi guys, welcome back. So as I was saying, in this video I will show you people how you can earn free USDT without any investment. But before going to the main video, I want to inform people that I have rewarded those who have reacted to my last video. You can see over here that I have sent them 6 TRS. So if you are among those who have reacted to my last video, kindly go and check in your wallet and see if you are received it, and don't forget to confirm it in the comment section of this video. So now let's get to the main video. So to start earning the free USDT, all I have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link there. So once you click on the first link there, it will take you to Telegram. So once you get to Telegram, you have to start the bot. This is the tap to earn of Sex.io. Sex.io is an exchange platform. You can trade your cryptos over there. So they are doing their own tap to earn. I already made a video on it, but I'm still doing the video again. Once you get to this place, before you can start earning the USD, you can participate into this their airdrop and earn their free token. So just click on this button to be earning that free crypto. As you can see, as I'm tapping here, you can see that I'm earning the free token. So this is the first thing that you can do to be earning their free token. After that, you can also buy miners with the free point that you'll be receiving over here, so that you can earn more points. Okay, so if you click on the button mine over here, you can see the different mining tools that you have over here. So you can just check over here and buy the mining tool so that you can be mining more cryptos. So you have many options too over here. The first one is the mining. So you have power, business, and special. So just check out and see the mining tool that you can buy and purchases. This one, they say you have to be on level 3 before you can buy this particular one. This is the price over here, 2,400 XP, 2,400 points, and this is what you are going to be earning. You are going to earn 3,900 points. It is good to buy the mining tools because you cannot be typing on your screen all the time. So you have to buy the mining tools so that you can be mining the free points even when you are not typing the screen. You can also perform some tasks over here so that you earn the free points. Just click on the button tasks over here. So once you click on the button tasks over there, so you can see the tasks that you have over here. So just perform all these tasks so that in the beginning you can earn some free points and use those points to increase your mining power. You can also invite people so that you earn a lot. Just click on the button squad over here. So once you click on the button squad, click on the button invite friends. So once you click on it, they'll ask you to select a friend. So you just have to send it to a random friend so that you can see your referral link over there. If you refer many people, you are going to earn a lot. So now let's come back to the free USDT. Okay, so to earn your free USDT, all I have to do is to click on the button work over here. Alright, so once you click on the button work over there, now you can click on this particular icon over here. So once you click on that icon, they will now ask you to perform today's task before you can start the game. You have to be playing a game over here before you can be receiving this free USDT. So once you are here, all you have to do is to click on the button complete your daily task to start the game. So once you click on it, you have to click on this button start. After click on the button start, you have to go and watch a video on YouTube. After done watching the video on YouTube, you have to come back to complete your queues. I was doing it without recording it. After I have completed the quiz, you can see over here that they now ask me to claim my 10,000 points. Back over here, I'll click on this icon. So once I click on that icon, you can see that the button spin is over here. But if you haven't completed the task, you will not see this button spin. So you have to complete the task before you can see the button spin. And this button spin will allow you to play the game. You can see that there is a wheel over here, and on this wheel you have many things that you can get. You have USDT. It's not only USDT that you can get other things. You have boost over here, you have game crypto, you have game coins, XP. This is the free point, so you can also get free point. You have free spin too, because basically you can see over here that they wrote 6 free spins available. So if you finish this 6 spin, you have to come after some time again. But if you are lucky that you get this free pin on the wheel over here, you can restart again. You can spin again for free. Alright, as you can see, after I click on the button free spin, you can see that I can now start the game. So I'll just click on the button spin over here to start playing the game. This is what I got. So I'll click on the button down over here, start the game. I'll click on the button spin again. The same thing again, but this time around only 0.283 that I got. So I'll click on the button down again, spin again, the same thing again. This time around 0.617. So I'll click on the button down again, continue, the same thing again, click on the button down, spin. This time around I got 2,782 XP, 82 points, which is very amazing, guys. So elect the last one, so I'll click on the button spin again and try my last chance. and this time around I got 4,351 coins, which is very amazing. Finally guys, I'm done with the 6 free spin, but unfortunately I did not get any USDT, but I got some useful things, and you can see the countdown over here. So I have to come back after 4 hours again. So this task can be done every 4 hours. Remind you, this crypto exchange is a well-known crypto exchange, so we can trust it can be performing the task. So the time that they will be listed, you can earn a lot of cryptos, a lot of money with this particular airdrop guys. This is where you can come and increase your level. So once you're here, just click on this icon. So guys, basically that's how this particular airdrop works, and that's it for this video. So if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching guys. God bless you, and see you in my next video.